Welcome back. So let's continue building the game. We already have the welcome screen. Now we just like to, on slide 2, we're going to, just for demonstration purposes, we're going to label the slides so we can actually see the transitions. When you're comfortable with the game, you can actually hide this. And so persons playing a game won't actually know which slide they're on. So this is slide 2. Let's head to the home tab, center align that. Now we need to insert the arrows. So the arrows are also shapes. So let's head back to the insert tab, shapes. We'd like a right arrow and a left arrow. So the right arrow and let's insert the left arrow. Let's try to have them somewhat the same size. Okay, so here we have our right arrow and our left arrow. Now let's include our cars. So our cars are just images. So let's insert pictures and picture from file. And so we'd like to include the driver car once. So here's the driver car. Let's just make it a bit bigger just to fill that lane. This is the driver car, and let's bring it all the way down. Let's start on the bottom left. But right now it's surrounded by this the white background. We like to remove the white background, so let's select the driver car image, ensure that you're on the picture format tab, and ensure that you're on the picture format tab. Choose the color option and look for set transparent color. So quite a lot of options, but we'd like to set the white as the transparent color. And so now that's our car. Our car actually has the lights, the red lights. Let's do the same for the other traffic cars. So inserting pictures, picture from file, and traffic car. And here's a traffic car. Again, we're just going to let that hide the background, and we're going to just make it a bit bigger. Okay. And each scene, so each slide is actually a scene in the game. We're going to have a scenario where our car is actually behind a traffic car, and so this will encourage whoever is playing the game to they actually need to switch a lane. So we're going to right click on the traffic car, click on copy, and paste. And so we're just going to try and align that same lane. And so what will happen is that on slide 2, the available lane is the middle lane. We're going to right click on slide 2, choose duplicate. So now we've duplicated that slide, and here's slide 3. So we're going to change the number. Let's change it to 3. And what's going to happen on slide 3 is that we would expect the person playing the game to switch to the middle lane. But since they've switched to the middle lane, again, we need to ensure that they have some traffic on the road. And so let's move the traffic car right in front. So now we have slide 3. So I'm sure you can guess what we're about to do in slide 4. So let's right click on slide 3, duplicate slide. Here we have slide 4. And we're just going to move our car. And again, ensure that we have some traffic. Again, we want to change the number. We can do this one more time. So right click on slide 4, click on duplicate slide, and we expect our driver to go in the middle lane, and we're going to give them some traffic. And so what you're seeing is, okay, when they start the game, they should start on slide 2. They'll be clicking the right arrow to go in the center, which will bring them to slide 3. When they're on slide 3, they'll have traffic, so they'll want to go to the right again, because if they go to the left, they should crash. So when they head to the right, again, they have some traffic, and so they'll want to head to the left, slide 4. And now they have traffic again, but now the available lane is all the way to the left, and so we'll direct them back to the beginning, slide 2. So I hope you can see the transitions. Let's pause here.